Since I'm a massive fan of it raining, and this is quite a doozy, I thought I would record the rain. I know. I can't imagine I'm the only person who likes the sound of rain. And it's much better to enjoy it from the inside, I feel, for obvious reasons. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave it a minute and enjoy the awesome downpour as much as I do, for some crazy reason. And you know, I always get a strange satisfaction from seeing people who've gone out earlier in the day in like t-shirt and shorts and looking out a window and seeing them running for it as their lives depending on it because it started raining. Very grim satisfaction, I have to admit. Does kind of make me want to pee though. Guess it's slowing down. Anyway, that's pretty much it. I was bored, I like rain, and I thought, why not record it? For absolutely no reason. With that, I hope you all have a good day, and I'll probably upload something just as equally pointless in the relatively near future. See y'all later.